Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the breakout room feature of Microsoft Teams. So let's go ahead and get started. I've already set up my meeting here and I have two participants in this meeting. So to get started with breakout rooms, the first thing that you want to do is you want to click on the breakout room icon. This is the little square with the smaller square in the lower left corner. This is going to bring up the Create Breakout Rooms menu. This is where you actually configure your breakout room settings. And the first thing that you want to do here is select how many breakout rooms you need. In this case, I'm going to create 2 breakout rooms, so I'm going to select 2 here. And then you want to determine whether you want Teams to automatically assign people into the different breakout rooms or whether you want to do that yourself. In this example, I am going to manually add my participants into the different breakout rooms. So I'm going to select manually. And then you want to go ahead and click on Create Rooms. Now Microsoft Teams is going to go ahead and get your room set up. So you can see here that I have 2 breakout rooms that have been created, and on the right-hand pane you have the breakout room menu. So because I said I want to manually assign my participants, what I need to do is click on the Assign Participants button here. This is going to show me my participants, and I am going to go ahead and select Thor Odinson here, and I am going to add him into breakout room 1. You can see he was removed from the list, and now I'm going to click on my second participant here and click Assign, and I'm going to add Jane Foster into room 2. And so you can see here that I've got my 2 rooms and I've got the participants listed under them. And now to go ahead and get started, what you want to do is click on the Start Rooms button. This is going to actually open up your breakout rooms. And your participants will receive a little purple message at the top of their meeting screen that indicates that they'll be moved into a breakout room in about 10 seconds. And there you go. You can now see that the status of these 2 rooms have changed to open. And so if you want to actually join one of these rooms to participate in the discussion, you want to click on the More Options button. And here you can join the room, you can rename the room or close it. We're going to go ahead and just jump into this breakout room for a second. And you'll see here that it opened up in a second window. And this is now the breakout room as indicated by the label at the top of your screen. Just a quick note, if you do want to jump into a breakout room and then leave the breakout room, you want to click on the return button. This is going to bring you back to the main meeting. If you were to click leave, it's going to drop you from the meeting itself. So let's go ahead and click on return. And we've now been put back into the main room here. All right, and the last step here is to go ahead and close your rooms. This will end the breakout rooms and give your participants about 10 seconds to come back into the main room. So let's go ahead and click Close Rooms. And again, your participants will get a purple message at the top of the screen that tells them that they will be returned to the main room in about 10 seconds. And there you go, the breakout rooms have ended and you have all of your participants back in the main room. So that's a quick overview of how to use the breakout room functionality of Microsoft Teams. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like it. Please drop a comment below. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest Microsoft Teams tutorials, please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and talk to you soon.